AB Pastolero, there's an alarm on Golf deck. Can you please check the fire status on the Golf deck?
Oh.
Okay, sir. I will check the golf deck. If there is fire. Fire on golf deck on port side, frame 44.
Copy that, confirm there's a fire in the Golf deck, port side, frame 44. I call this master immediately.
Hello, Captain speaking.
Sir, good morning. There's an alarm, fire alarm on the Golf deck.
Oh, there's a fire at the golf deck. So, golf deck. Okay. Sound the alarm, and announce to the public address system.
Yes, sir. Sound the alarm. Sound the alarm. Yes, sir. Sound the alarm.
Okay. Five long. Attention to press station. Attention to press station. Fire reported at the golf deck apart. Fire reported at the golf deck apart. Please proceed to your master station and report.
Copy of that, sir. Fire reported at Golf Deck apart. Golf Deck apart. All crew now proceeding to our master station. All crew proceeding to master station.
Okay, noted on that. Emergency squad are now proceeding to the master station. Engine room start sa bridge.
Bridge command, this is squad. We are now ready to proceed at the engine room over.
Okay, noted on that. Engine room squad. Please proceed to the engine room and then energize the electrical on the affected area on the Golf, Foxtrot and Hotel. Golf, Foxtrot and Hotel. And then start additional generator and emergency fire pump over.
Copy that, sir. I report that to you. Yes, emergency squad, team leader, sir. We are now all accounted for, and we are now proceeding to the scene of fire at the Golf Deck apart with all the firefighting equipment over.
And that proceeding to the scene of fire. Support squad, bridge.
Yes, sir, Bridge. This is support squad, sir, reporting.
Okay, support squad, please open all ventilation to the Foxtrot, to the Golf Deck, and Hotel, Golf, Hotel, and Foxtrot. So from Foxtrot, Golf, and Hotel Deck, kindly open all the ventilation. Over.
Okay, sir, we will open the ventilations from Foxtrot, Hotel, and Golf Deck. All ventilations.
Okay. After opening all the ventilation, report on the bridge, then conduct boundary pooling on the hotel part, and to the Foxtrot deck, up part over.
After ventilation from Foxtrot Hotel and Golf, we will prepare the fire hoses to carry out boundary cooling at Foxtrot and Hotel Asphalt over.
Roger, Roger.
Bridge Command, this is Agent Lundin. We have already isolated the power supply at the cargo hold Dick Golf Hotel at Foxtrot. We have also started the additional generator. And we have already started the emergency fire pump with about 8 kilograms of over.
Okay, thank you na on that. Engineer squad noted. Additional generator started. Isolated electrical on the affected area. An emergency fire pump started. Emergency squad, please.
Stations from Foxtrot, Golf and Hotel are all open, over.
Okay, noted. Super squad on ventilation leading to Foxtrot, Golf and Hotel already open. Then you can proceed to conduct boundary cooling on the Foxtrot and Hotel deck. Part over.
We are proceeding now to carry out boundary cooling from Foxtrot and Hotel Asphalt, over.
Emergency squad bridge.
Yes, this is emergency squad, sir.
Emergency squad, this is bridge. All electrical at the affected area already isolated. We have already the additional generator, emergency fire pump started. So you can combat the fire by all available means or by using solid stream of water over.
Yes, sir. We use all available means by using solid stream of water. Emergency squad now preparing with their firefighting equipment, and we are ready to lay out ready to attack the fire. The hoses are already laid out, over. Once you start to combat to enter the car deck to combat the fire, then let me know the pressure of your breathing apparatus, over. Answer, this is emergency squad. All firefights outfit are ready, and we have 200 bars ready around approximately 30 minutes to combat the fire as soon as possible, over. Okay, 200 bars pressure of your breathing apparatus. Then if you're ready, then start to combat the fire. Squad bridge, so you can start now to combat the fire using all the available means, over. Combat the fire now. Okay, start to combat the fire by all available means, over. Yes, sir. We will combat the fire with all available means. Okay, noted on that. So, keep reporting the status of fire, over. I will keep reporting the status of fire. The initial firefighters are turning over the pump so that the firefighter can proceed. Okay, copy on that. How about the support squad? Did you already started the boundary calling at the hotel on the Foxtrot deck, over? Yes, sir. The support squad is already doing their calling from the Foxtrot and hotel deck. Okay, copy on that. So, support squad already started calling on the adjacent area on the Foxtrot and hotel deck.
Initial firefighter. The firefighter give me a signal that the fire is persisting. The fire is persisting and uncontrollable at this moment. Over.
Okay, noted on that. Fire at the golf deck is spreading and uncontrollable. Fire is spreading and uncontrollable. So please back out, emergency squad, back out, boundary calling team, back out. Then proceed to your master station. And then accounted. Then stand by to release the CO2 water with lashing to continue the boundary cooling. Over. Okay, noted on that, support squad. Thank you. Okay, we are now start backing out, sir. Start backing out and proceeding to our master station. Start backing out. Emergency squad, start backing out. Start backing out. And we are sealing the area. Sealing the area. Okay, noted on that. We'll start backing out on the scene of fire. Then proceed to the master station. Accounted all crew. Ready and report. Then standby to release the CO2. We are at the master station and all men are accounted for. Over. Okay, noted on that, engine room squad. All engine room crew already accounted for and standby to the master station. This is Ocean Commander, Emergency Squad. My crew, sir, already backing up and we are now at the master station waiting for your orders.
All crew accounted for with no missing and no injury. Over.
Okay, noted on that, emergency squad. So proceed to the CO2 room and then release the Son, Charlie, and Delta. Son, Charlie, and Delta. Over.
Copy on that, sir. I will proceed to the CO2 room and release the Charlie and Delta soon. Charlie and Delta soon from our CO2 system.
Okay, noted on that. Then advise bridge once completed release of the CO2 on to Son, Charlie, and Delta. Over.
Still not, sir. I'm proceeding now. I'm here now at the CO2 system, sir. And we are ready to release the CO2 soon, Charlie and Delta.
You can release the CO2 now. Release the CO2.
I already released the CO2 system for Charlie and Delta soon. Over. Charlie and Delta soon. Over. And we are waiting for the result afterwards.
On that, CO2 already released in the Son, Charlie, and Delta. Okay, emergency squad, so you can start now. Check again the load tape. If fire totally extinguished, there is no sign of reignition. Over.
Roger, sir. I will check up the Charlie Gold Hotel and Foxtrot deck if any sign of ignition. Over. I will call you back. This is Ocean Commander, sir. I'm now proceeding to the scene of fire to check if there is any sign of ignition of fire upon release of CO2. This is Ocean Commander, sir. There's a little bit sign of fire and we need to back out and I think we will proceed for abandoned ship upon your order, sir. Upon your order. Over.
Roger, emergency squad, so upon checking the fire, fire is still not totally extinguished, and there's a possibility of explosion, so back out, then standby for abandoned ship drill.
Copy that, sir. We are now proceeding to our boat station for abandoned ship. This is emergency squad replying. Proceeding to boat station for abandoned ship.
Proceeding to the boat station. Emergency squad, kindly check all lifeboat, over.
Roger, Roger, that. Then, after that, report to the bridge. Then, we can dismiss the drill.
Yeah, that, sir. We'll now proceed to the people lifeboat for briefing and education on how to release inside and the procedures and everything. And then we will report to the bridge.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, emergency squad, all crew, especially new crew, have been able to discuss and familiarize how to launch a people lifeboat, procedures and all the equipment inside, the usage and everything. Over.
Okay, okay. Number squad, wait. All station, drill dismiss. Drill dismiss.
Yes, sir. All station, drill dismissed, drill dismissed. Thank you. All station, sir, drill dismissed. Thank you. Headquarter,